Among the many foods that we eat almost every day, there is one and unique food that most people already know, and you know it too. What is this food?
Good day to all of you.
My name is Kenneth
And I am John Rovic Presnido.
and welcome to our vlog. And this is Cooking Yarn.
And since the theme of our vlog is cooking, we have something for you. And those who haven't eaten it yet,
Really? Has everyone eaten it yet?
maybe, or I don't know, but
In today's video, we will cook this recipe that you will remember when you are hungry and you don't have enough money because you loaded for TikTok.
tinin. Ay, tut, tut, tut. Tut, 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 tut.
Oh, sige,
Okay,
sige.
no? Featuring our main dish today, the boiled cassava with ginataan.
Wow, it looks so delicious, but it's more delicious when even more delicious than his love for you.
Hey, you're so funny, Kenneth. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get started.
Here are some ingredients on how to make the basic cassava dish. Prepare peeled cassava, scrape coconut, and sugar to taste. Also prepare a cooking pot as a casserole. In a saucepan, put peeled cassava and add a little water and salt. When the cassava is cooked, add the strained coconut juice and let it cook as well. And now, here it is. You can put sugar and salt to taste. Budget is less than 100 pesos to buy these ingredients, and aside from it's affordable, it is also very delicious.
Do you know, in the Philippines, cassava is used as food, starch, and animal feed, and the production is dominated by subsistence farmers who plant in small areas or backyards. The Philippines is not self-sufficient in food crop. The National Food and Agriculture Council estimates 80% sufficiency level, and they are importing cassava starch for manufacturing purposes.
Do you also know that cassava is rich in vitamin C? Cassava is a good source of resistant starch that mimics soluble fiber properties. Yeah. It serves as an energy fuel. Cassava is dense in carbohydrates. It has a protection against liver cancer. It has low in sugar and repairs kidney damage. I think that's enough.
Tada! And to the end, ay gag, tinakita na yung mood. Okay. Maano na lang kita, kapag kamayanta na. Okay, and this is our finished product. The boiled cassava with ginataan.
With ginataan, with sugar. Ay,
With sugar, okay. Okay, let's try it first. Tingin. Okay, let's try it.
what can you say about our foods?
It's good, and because of the sugar, the cassava is more tasty and more sweet. Okay. And how about you,
Okay?
Mr. Oh, yes, Miss Nido.
Yeah, this is delicious. Yeah, it feels like it made me realize that I am a true Irizonon. Yeah, okay, like if you haven't taste or what do you call this?
Kasaba.
That's all for our vlog today. I hope you like it.
And if you have any questions from this and from the video, just comment down below and we will answer your queries.
Thank you for watching our vlog today. Please hit the react button,
And,
for this video.
and until the next video,
See you soon.
soon.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm John Rovic, V. Fresnedo, and making some foods.